all the time that, keeping up to date our automation turned into an entire project in and of itself. So often, things fall behind. More and more test cases are breaking in automation when you're executing them, and you're having a hard time discerning, what are actual flaky test cases and what are actual bugs. And the result is, defect leakage into production. And, we want to help you stop that. And the way we do that is through AiHealing. We're able to keep the test cases, updated, and we're generating the test cases and scripts for you. And once a month in Webo.AI, we are maintaining them. We are updating them to reflect new features. You can make a small change like a text box to a drop-down menu. That will be updated and reflected. If locator IDs are changing, we're going to update those